Welcome to Mind Minute, your go-to for fun facts about whatever your mind is curious for. Here are 10 of the strangest experiments in science history and what we've learned from them. The Stanford Prison Experiment showed how quickly people adapt to roles of power and submission. The experiment had to be stopped early due to extreme behavior changes in participants. In the Milgram Experiment, researchers tested how far people would go in obeying authority, even when it meant inflicting pain on others. The study revealed the disturbing power of obedience. The Russian sleep experiment study was likely a myth, but a Russian scientist, Marie de Manacéine, was the first to study sleep deprivation. Galileo's falling bodies experiments disproved an ancient belief by showing that all objects fall at the same rate no matter their weight. Scientists conditioned a baby to fear fluffy white animals and harmless objects by pairing them with loud noises, which helped shape what we know about classical conditioning. Antoine Lavoisier wanted to test whether a person's head remains conscious after decapitation. He allegedly blinked 15 times after execution. The Philadelphia experiment made a U.S. Navy ship disappear. While it may be an urban legend, it shows how military technology sparks speculation and mystery. Russian scientists attempted an organ transplant by attaching a second head onto a living dog. This gross experiment contributed to modern transplant research. Researchers injected an elephant with massive doses of LSD in the 60s to study aggression. The experiment ended tragically, raising ethical concerns. This quantum mechanics paradox imagines a cat that's both alive and dead at the same time inside a box until someone observes it. It's a fascinating way to understand quantum superposition. Learning from the past helps us move to a more ethical future. Thanks for learning.